Hi, Beach Baby Bob here, and I'm going gardening. And I thought I would show you the warm-up routine that I would do before I just do something like gardening. Now, gardening involves, a little bit of lawn mower stuff, cut grass, a little bit of raking, a little bit of shovel work, bending over and picking up stuff on the lawn like rocks and sticks. So a little bit of everything. I won't work too hard because it's kind of warm out today, but I still need to warm up. So here's my warm up. First of all, I should warm up my body just generally, right? So I'm just going to move my arms like I'm in the pool, because I'd love to be in the pool right now. Do the front crawl here. I don't have to keep my feet, in one spot. I could walk a little bit, backwards or forwards, just a little bit. But as I do the front crawl, I'm going to turn my head when my arm goes back and just take a nice breath. Right. So a little bit of an inhale as my arm goes back. And if I don't like that side, I can turn my head the other way and get a breath. Right. Yep. So I would be exhaling, looking straight ahead, and inhaling. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And then maybe I'd like to try the backstroke. So when I do the backstroke, I kick my feet. So I'll just lift them a little bit. Just get the feet off the ground and roll my shoulders back as I try to scoop up that water. Good work. Now, usually I'm looking straight ahead or straight up when I do the backstroke, and I just breathe in through my nose and out through my mouth. Try to coordinate my inhale, exhale with the movement of my arms and my legs. Good work. And then I might put one foot behind on a 45 and one in front and just push out and pull in. So this is kind of like the breaststroke, right? You push out, pull the water back. Now those breaststroke people that are trying out for the Olympics that are coming up soon, they do some kind of a undulation with their body. When they're under the water and come back up. So let's go under the water and come back up. We're still reaching out to get our body to go forward and pulling the water back. Let's switch sides here. So just one foot on a 45, down straight ahead. Reach out, pull back. And if you want to go underwater, pull back. Uh-oh, here comes my son. It's time to go. Have fun with your warm-ups.